searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name.
So today is Sunday, and we know that Sunday is always made for what? Jollof rice or fried rice or rice and stew. Today we'll be making some jollof rice. So I am going to begin by washing up my chicken. I just squeezed in some lemon juice, and then I'm going to add enough water and let it rest for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I washed it up, and then into my pot it goes. Added some onions, some seasonings, and then stir on that. Added a little bit more water and cook for about 15 minutes. While that is cooking, it's time to prep our jollof rice base, which is some bay leaf, some onions. Stir on that. While that is frying up, I am going to go ahead to take off my chicken, and then I will put it on the baking tray and straight into the oven. I'll let that to grill for about 30 minutes. While that is grilling, let's go back. Added tomato paste into my pot. I'm going to stir on that until it is well separated and it has cooked for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then I went in with the blended pepper, stirred on it, and then added my rice. Added a bit of salt and all-purpose seasoning, some turmeric, some paprika powder, and then stirred on it again. And once everything was well mixed, I added the stock that we got from the chicken earlier, and then I'm going to add more water and cover that to cook. I will keep checking on it from time to time, and I will keep stirring on that from time to time as well. At this point, our chicken was all ready, and I took it out of the oven so that it will not burn. If you want yours to be very burnt, then you can leave it in the oven and still add more heat. But at this point, our rice is all ready. Look at how delicious this look, and so moist and tasty. I fried up my plantain, and voila, this is it. We have our delicious Sunday lunch that is already. That is how much snail came out. It just rained today. It's been hot lately. There was no rain like for some days. The small rain that fell, all the snails are coming out from the hiding place. I've never seen snail that much in the UK until today. Is that the real snake that they eat or not the one that they eat? Let me know, please. I'm with my umbrella here, you know. I better not see you now. We just got home now. My clothes is still a bit wet anyway. That is how much snail came out from wherever they were hiding. Wherever they were hiding, I have to record it. I didn't know that there's snail that much here. I've never seen snail that much here. Like, since I came to the UK, I've never seen snail that much. Can you see how much snail is? Jesus Christ. And I mean, they're all just relaxing and walking. Where were they walking to? Let me know where you are living in the UK if you've seen snail that much. But I've not seen snail that much. I used to see that maybe back in Nigeria, but here in the UK, I've not seen snail that much until today. I used to see like one slug and all that, but to see a lot of snail, it's only this place that I moved to that I've seen a lot of snail. But yeah, that is it. I said, let me update you people about snail.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My
Hi there, I'm going to be packing some gift for my children, school teachers, because this is their last week in school, and then we have to give the teachers some, just a little gift, okay, nothing much, just a little gift to just show our appreciation and all that. So let us pack together. I have this gift bag. I didn't find any apart from this one, so I have these gift bags that I got from B&M. I have this Raffaello that I got from still B&M. Then I'm going to be packing this mug here. Very simple, nothing much, okay, nothing much. I'm going to begin by taking out the labels. I don't know if I should take out this or I should just leave it. And then the mug.
I've searched many years.
This little space here, so I'll just write a
Was no
thank you note here for them. Hello there, I'm here again with another cooking hack. Let us watch the video.
Look at this. Perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it?
Okay, so this is my nylon. I have 4 cloves of garlic. So we're supposed to put that here. I just put 3. My hand blender. My blender will not spoil in Jesus' name. Is it what? Let's open it together. I think it will work if we press on a bit more. You have to shake it a lot, but this one works. So let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.